Foods for better eyesight. A gamer's guide. It's Olivia. My eyes are always tired. Fitting shows with all the flashes. Then hours of gaming. They feel dry and sore. Can food really help? Seva. Yes, Olivia, your eyes work overtime. But the right foods can protect your vision and help you feel more comfortable, even after long gaming sessions. Chapter 1. Why nutrition matters for your eyes. Ava, your eyes need special vitamins and antioxidants. These helps filter harmful light, protect your retina, and keep your eyes strong as you age. Chapter 2. How these foods help. Lutein and zeaxanthin in leafy greens and eggs. They act like natural sunglasses. Beta-carotene in carrots helps you see clearly, even in low light. Omega-3 salve in fatty fish like salmon. Keep the retina healthy and eyes moist. Vitamins C and E in fruits, nuts, seeds. They protect your eye cells from damage. Chapter 3. Quick eye healthy recipes. Olivia, that sounds good. But I'm busy. Is this easy to do? Deva. So easy. Here's what you can make this week. Carrot orange smoothie. 2 carrots, 1 orange, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, a splash of water or juice. Blend for a sweet, eye-friendly breakfast. Spinach and kale salad. 2 cups spinach, 2 cups chopped kale, shredded carrots, cherry tomatoes, 2 boiled eggs, olive oil and lemon juice. Toss and eat. Lunch done. Salmon with roasted veggies, salmon fillets with zucchini, bell pepper, broccoli. Drizzle with olive oil. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. A vision-boosting dinner. Chapter 4. Call to action. Which superfood will you try first? Tell us in the comments. Or share your own eye-healthy food. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple health tips.
See you next time.